What if I told you that your entire approach to health is backwards? That you're probably making it 10 times harder than it needs to be? Introducing the 9 to 1 rule. The simplest, most overlooked secret to mastering health habits, used by elite athletes, Navy SEALs, Silicon Valley CEOs, and now you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the 9 to 1 rule for health habits and why it's the number one mindset shift you need if you want to finally get fit, eat better, and master self-discipline without burnout. Stick around. This isn't another drink more water video. This is the health strategy you'll wish you learned 10 years ago. Collision, let's dive in. So, what exactly is the 9 to 1 rule? Here it is. Back-end index pointing right. For every 9 simple, easy, repeatable health actions you do, just one needs to be hard, intense, or high effort. Let that sink in. It's the opposite of how most people operate. They go all in for 10 out of 10 effort, burn out in 3 days, and fall back into junk food, skipped workouts, and Netflix marathons. But the 9 to 1 rule? It builds consistency first, because that's how real transformation happens. Bar chart. According to a 2023 study in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine, people who focused on micro habits were 62% more likely to stick to their health goals over a 6-month period compared to those who relied on willpower alone. Brain Section 2. Why most people fail at health habits. Let's get real for a second. Why do 90% of people fail at building healthy habits? Because they try to go from 0 to 100 overnight. New gym membership, keto diet, 5 a.m. wake-ups, no sugar, no carbs, no life. It's not realistic. You don't build discipline by going extreme. You build it by showing up every single day, even if it's just a 2-minute win. Light bulb, here's a truth bomb. The habits that change your life don't feel hard in the moment. They feel boring. Think. Drinking water before coffee, hot beverage. Walking 5 minutes after meals, man walking. Sleeping with your phone outside the bedroom, person in bed, mobile phone off. These 9 small wins? That's what creates momentum. Then you earn the right to do that one hard thing, like a full body HIIT session or a 24-hour fast. Fire. Section 3. The science behind. Here's where it gets wild. The 9 to 1 rule is backed by neuroscience. Brain. According to Stanford researcher B.J. Fogg, habits that are too difficult early on cause a dopamine crash. In other words, you punish your brain for trying something new. But when you succeed at easy tasks, like stretching for 30 seconds or standing up every hour, you get a dopamine boost, which makes your brain say, let's do that again. That's how you hack motivation. Quote this: you don't need more discipline. You need more wins. B.J. Fogg. Flex biceps. Section 4. How to use the 9 to 1 rule in real life. Let's get practical. How do you use the 9 to 1 rule starting today? White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Build your 9 daily easy wins. Examples. Drink 1 glass of water first thing. 5-minute morning stretch. Walk 1,000 steps before 10 a.m. Eat 1 serving of protein with breakfast. Meditate for 60 seconds. Brush teeth while standing on 1 leg, balance training. No phone after 10 p.m. Take a cold shower for 30 seconds. Write down 1 healthy choice you made today. Firecracker. Step 2. Choose 1 challenge habit for the day. 20 minutes intense workout. 16-hour fast. No sugar for the day. Run a mile. No caffeine. Yoga session. 10,000 steps in a day. The key? Do the 9 every day and rotate the 1. This builds a system of small wins with just enough challenge to keep you growing. Chart increasing. Section 5. The domino effect. Here's where the magic happens. The domino effect. When you stack 9 wins daily, they create a foundation of identity. You're no longer trying to be healthy. You are a healthy person. This is called identity-based habit formation, a concept popularized by James Clear in Atomic Habits. And your 1 challenge each day? That's your upgrade button, your growth edge. When people ask, how did you lose 30 pounds? You won't say, I did 75 hard. You'll say, I started walking 5 minutes a day. Then I just kept stacking. This is how change really happens. Person in lotus position. Section 6. Mindset shift. Most people think discipline is doing hard things all the time. But the 9 to 1 rule proves Real discipline is doing easy things every day without skipping. Think about it. What's harder? Go to the gym once for 2 hours? Or doing 20 push-ups every day for a year? Light bulb. The 2-hour gym session feels dramatic. But the 20 push-ups? That's compound discipline. That's the tortoise, not the hare. That's who wins. Brain, Section 7. What high performers know. Want to know a secret? Top performers in every field use the 9 to 1 principle, even if they don't call it that. Direct hit LeBron James does 9 recovery activities for every 1 workout. Direct hit Tim Ferriss stacks 9 repeatable habits like cold exposure, journaling, etc. to support 1 big challenge, like writing a book. Direct hit Navy SEALs call it default to discipline. Make the routine automatic, so when a storm comes, you're already ready. The 9 is your base. The 1 is your breakthrough. Together, they create mastery. Video camera, Section 8. Real stories, real impact. Let's talk results. Meet Jake, 42, who lost 60 pounds using this rule. No diets, no falls. Just 9 small actions daily and 1 challenge a day. Or Emily, 26, who went from exhausted and anxious to energized and confident. Her 9 included meditation, hydration, walking, sunlight, and sleep rituals. Her 1, a daily cold plunge. Loudspeaker, these aren't extreme people. These are normal people using a simple framework to change their lives. And if they can do it, so can you. Wrapped gift, Section 9. Your challenge starts now. Here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, follow the 9 to 1 rule. Pick your 9 easy wins. Choose 1 challenge per day. Track it. Watch what happens. You don't need perfection. You need patterns. Rocket, closing, final motivation plus CTA. Most people overestimate what they can do in a week and underestimate what they can do in a year. If you do this, if you follow the 9 to 1 rule every day, your energy, body, and confidence will change in ways you can't even imagine yet. But you have to start. Mobile phone with Thorough, drop a comment below. I'm in for the 9 to 1 challenge. Pushpin like this video. Bell subscribe for more science-backed, high-performance health content. Outbox tray and share this with a friend who's ready to level up. This is Mind Thinkers, where we turn deep psychology into real-world power. See you in the next one. Stay strong, stay sharp, and remember, small wins. Big change.